Okay.
Way if anybody needs in.
I don't think Cody's ready to go yet, or he's just going without pants to get through security easier. Cody left his pocket knife in his bag. Now he's gonna have to mail it to himself. Thank you. So Cody, what was that? Why did we have to mail something home? What happened?
Just bringing things that not supposed to be bringing in a
Are
carry-on
you
item.
intentionally trying to get us this trip canceled?
If it results in heading to the ranch sooner.
Off we go to gate 1. We made it to Lanzarote. Lanzarote, I guess is how they say it. Basically just rocks. No grass, no trees.